It was a bad shooting night for us, no? For locals. Of course, si Dion maganda nilaro. I think naka 44 points siya. I think that's the highest scoring game of Dion. I think just so bad it came when yung locals namin malamig. Pero I think kahit na malamig yung locals namin, we were able to keep the game close. At yun talaga, kaya lang mahirap yung dehado ka na, malakas yung kalaban mo, tapos yung mga calls hindi mo pa makuha. So we'll see, no? Pero hindi pa naman tapos, may Friday pa. We'll watch film tomorrow, we'll do walkthroughs, we'll see what adjustments can still be made. Pero hindi pa tapos to. Definitely hindi pa tapos to.
Coach Adrian, no, kung medyo nag-struggle with his offense.
Well, of course, they're scheming him. No, tinatrap na siya, dinadouble team na siya. So, kailangan na siguro makapag-adjust siya. No? Pero, ang tingin ko, he's gonna play better the next time. Basta nararamdaman niya kung ano yung ginagawa sa kanya. Pwede namang makapaghanap ng paraan, no, para ma-release yung pressure na yun. So that's our challenge for tomorrow as coaching staff, to find a way to release that pressure dun sa mga key players namin.